Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am with Nana Ventures. So we're doing a video today testing and trying Jamaican based drinks. So drinks basically that are made in Jamaica and what Jamaican people basically popularized. So I basically went to the supermarket and I bought drinks that basically say made in Jamaica. So Nana has a channel as well, so make sure you guys go on her channel and subscribe and watch some of her videos too. Ready, Nana? Let's see how much you can drink.
Huh?
We're gonna see how much you can drink. So, let's get into this video. There's a lot of drinks we're going to go through. Look at this big, huge bag.
Yes, really.
This Klappa's, look at this Klappa's bag. That we got. It's a reusable bag. I paid $80 for this reusable bag.
Really?
Yeah.
You didn't tell me nothing about that.
Okay, so we're going to lay out all these drinks and then we're going to come back and show you guys. Do we have the receipt in here? Good. I bought, does it tell you how many? The cashier name was Poochie.
Poochie!
And how many items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, I would say I have 12 takeaway. I have 9 things. Yeah. In this big huge bag. Okay, we have Ting. We have iCool. We have Surge Peanut Punch.
This.
Party. We have D&G Red Stripe Sorrel. We have Schweppes. We have Ironade. Suppligen.
I'm gonna drink that, seriously.
D&G. And we have Big A.
And I took all the juices.
Tropics. We have Busta. Grape.
And we have Elastic.
Okay, so we have a party. Got this today.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, so we have 12. Okay, I clearly miscounted. We're going to be using reusable straws. Let's use these ones. We're going to be using these.
This is one right here.
Yeah. We're going to close our eyes and pick out the bag, what drink we're going to try first. And then I have the receipt here, so I can tell you guys how much we spent on each of the items. In total, I spent $1,030. Who wants to go first?
Me.
Okay, you go inside the bag.
How about rock, paper, scissors?
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors.
I can.
Come again, ready? Rock, paper, scissors. I broke you, so you have to choose first.
Okay.
Okay, this is big Klappa's bag. So close your eyes. And then pick out a drink. Okay, so Nana got D&G. So it's a soft drink, basically. D&G pineapple.
I know I want to like touch it.
Yeah, these drinks are good. I think they're good. Let me take out mine. We got Peanut Punch. Peanut Punch by Surge. Milk flavored drink. You know how to open those? Don't use your mouth. Oh wait, hold on. So this was $70. Okay, I'm gonna try this too, and you're gonna try mine too. Why does it act like I can't open this? Go ask Mom to open this. If anyone knows what D&G stands for, comment down below.
Yay! Please.
So this says product of Jamaica.
Product of Canada.
Okay, so you can taste the peanut in this one, really strong, and you can taste the milk, but it's like a creamy milk. Just creamy and it tastes good. I would recommend people buying this because it actually tastes good. And it's worth the money. It's only $100, so that's really good. Hey, what about yours? Do you like this drink?
It feels bubbly.
It feels bubbly. And do you like it? What does it taste like?
Pineapple.
Okay, let me try it. You try mine.
It tastes like milk.
Tastes like milk?
Yeah.
With this, it's basically a pop, so it's very, it's just really strong. It's a pop-like drink. So it's really strong, and it does taste like pineapple. That tastes good, right?
Mhm.
That's so good. This is good. I would give this like an 8 out of 10. I would give this a 10 out of 10. It's so good. This girl finished off the drink, and I actually like this one. Close your eyes. Have to shake it up, because I saw you peeking in there. Okay, close your eyes, put your hand in, and take out a drink.
Okay, wait. I'll just take this one.
Okay, show them what you got.
Bust.
So she got Busta and grape. My turn now.
That's not Jamaican, you know that?
It's not?
No.
I thought this was Jamaican this whole entire time.
Me too.
Okay, so that means we're not using this anymore. I went in the supermarket and I just assumed because it's Busta. Okay, I'm not using this then because we just found out from Trinidad.
Yeah.
Busta. You have the pick. Let me move this around. Anyways, and close your eyes and put your hand in.
I'm gonna take this one.
I cool. I cool. They're always having commercials on this on TV.
Okay, which one is it? You have to see if this is Trinidad too.
Yeah, even though Suppligent is a Trinidad drink, I feel like Jamaican people popularized it the most. You know what? I said in the video that we're doing drinks that either Jamaican people, like made in Jamaica, or Jamaican people popularized, and Jamaican people popularized Suppligent.
Okay.
Even when it comes to like track and field and stuff like
Let's put
that,
it
we always
down.
say Suppligent is like what track athletes always use in Jamaica, so anyways, we're still gonna do this one. Okay, so let me look at this one. So this one's in Jamaica. This is iCool, and it's non-carbonated, caffeine-free, and there's 80 calories. A lot of sodium too. The flavor is guava pie.
I'm gonna try.
Oh wait, so hold on. So the Suppligent, this was like 170 something in the store. Oh yeah, and the iCool juice for this bottle is $45.
Okay, what are you doing about me?
Okay, ready? Let's try it. 1, 2. Oh, and I have guava pie. With the iCool guava pine, it tastes good, but it's not something that I would want a big, huge jug of. It's on this, I can only drink like a little bit of it, and I'll get tired of it. I can tell. I wouldn't want something big like this in iCool, because they do sell it in this size as well. With the iCool, I can see myself only drinking this much, and that's it. Well, in this flavor at least, because iCool has like water and stuff
Try
like
mine
that.
with you.
How do you like yours, Nana? How do you like the Suppligent?
It's good. It's really good.
What do you like about it?
I don't know.
You don't know what you like about it? You just like it? Oh, and this is the vanilla
No,
flavor?
wait, I liked about it. It's like this, like it tastes like there's milk in it and then like no chocolate, and they call it like peanut punch.
Yeah. So basically Suppligent is a liquid meal supplement for strength and energy. So that's why they always, so that's why they say in Jamaica that how like track athletes always use this, because like drink this because it's supposed to be like strength and energy meal supplement, and it's vanilla flavor because they also have like chocolate flavor Suppligent as well. Yeah, you can tell this is a meal supplement. If you ever had meal supplements before, you know how those taste, and this is how this tastes, but it's like really good.
I told you it's really good.
Yeah. Do you like this one?
I like this one.
What happened to this one?
It tastes bad because it just tastes like those. I don't know. I just don't like it.
So I give this one a 8 out of 10. This one is like a 5 out of 10. What do you rate this one out of 10?
164.
She rates that out of 10, and how much do you rate the iCool out of 10?
1. Okay,
I believe that's from Trinidad. Okay, let me try. Is this the ginger beer? Oh, it's ting to the ting to ting to ting. Ting to the ting to ting to ting. A ting to the ting to ting to ting. Sparkling grapefruit flavored beverage. Real Jamaican grapefruit. So this is another carbonated. Okay, so this ting is like a carbonated grapefruit. It tastes good. Tastes so good. Now the ting retails for I think $100. Oh, 90s. At local shops in Jamaica, you'll get a ting for $100. But it was $90 at the supermarket, so you get $10 off. And you got Tropicana, Tropics, and Peach Papaya. I never had this flavor.
See if it's Trinidad again.
Oh, no. Let's see if it's... I don't think it's from Trinidad. It's Jamaica. No, we know ting is a Jamaican. Ting. It says ting is a drop of Jamaican sunshine. Ting is the ultimate thirst quencher, lightly carbonated, natural citrus. Yeah, it tastes like citrus refreshment made with real grapefruit. So good. So let's open these.
Whoa!
You have to be careful. I love ting. So she has peach papaya, Tropicana, naturally flavored juice beverage from concentrate. Okay, you can drink that, and I'm gonna drink my ting. I already know I like this, but let's drink it again for you guys. Ting is another drink that'll make you burp. Like if you need to burp or something, it's just so carbonated that it's so carbonated that like yeah, and you can taste the grapefruit in it. So strong, but it's like perfect. It's good. I recommend it. So I'm gonna try the peach papaya from Tropicana Tropics. This is also a Jamaican brand. Oh, this tastes so watered down.
I told you.
Yeah.
I'm saying,
This is like a 2. Tastes like water, and they put like the flavor of peach in it. You can taste the peach. I don't know about papaya, but it probably is. Yeah, so you can taste the peach papaya, but it tastes like water mostly.
I gave you.
Give what? The ting? I give the ting 10 out of 10.
No, you don't.
It's so good.
What kind of 10 out of 10 is that?
And then this I give like a 1.
No. I
Not
give
even
him
a 1.
4,000 million for this one. And
Out of
this
10?
is 0.
Yeah, literally. This flavor, I don't know if like all the flavors taste like this. It probably does because it tastes like water.
Okay. Wait, I feel it.
I have to make sure you're not looking.
I'm taking this one. I know I wanted this one.
We were swimming earlier today.
I wanted this one. I wanted this one. I wanted this one.
What's the name of that one?
Bigger.
That one's an apple. The little Biga was 45.
Bigger. Yo, sorrel.
Okay, so mine is sorrel. The sorrel flavor from Retro. I feel like you can only get this in Jamaica. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure. And I only like drinking anything sorrel.
I can open this.
Oh, that's so nice. When it comes to sorrel, I only like I try to only drink it during Christmas time because it's like a holiday drink.
Snack one.
So I don't want to like drink it throughout the year, and then when it comes to Christmas, it doesn't feel any different. So, but yeah, this is really good. The red striped sorrel was $165 for the can. And thumbs up this video if you like sorrel, or comment down below what's your favorite sorrel drink. Do you buy it? Do you like it homemade? Okay, so she has Biga. This is another carbonated soft drink flavored. And this is from Jamaica. When I first saw this, I'm like, this is definitely Jamaican. Okay, so Nana's gonna drink that. This is good. We're gonna try this one.
Bad.
I have to wipe it off.
I wipe mine. What?
I don't think I had the red. Yeah, I did. I did have it, but I never had it in the tin. That's why I wanted to buy it in the tin. I usually have it in the glass bottles.
Like there's bubbles going in my mouth. Look at the straw. Apple and there's bubbles in my mouth.
Yeah, that probably tastes like apple. This tastes like sorrel, but it also tastes like beer, and it also tastes like. Yeah, it's very carbonated though. It's more of like, I feel like it's mixed up with like a pop and a beer mixed together. Then you have the sorrel drink. It tastes good. It's really good. I would give this like an 8 out of 10. I'm not a fan of beer and stuff like that, but this is good. What would you give that?
A 1608.
Okay, so this one here.
This bad one.
Yeah, this one's good. It's like a soft drink. It tastes like green apple. That's what it tastes like. It tastes like green apple in a drink. So if you like green apples, yeah, it tastes really good.
This one.
I feel like that one tastes bad. I don't know. It just looks like a bootleg Lucozade. Yeah, Schweppes. So the Schweppes is also grapefruit and it's also a carbonated drink. Schweppes was 50. I feel like Schweppes reminds me of Tang because it's carbonated, it's grapefruit. It tastes similar, really similar. I'm actually going to try both of them at the same time and see if they taste the same. For the Schweppes, I paid $50 for this small little bottle here. This one tastes more carbonated. This one you taste more grapefruit in it. Even though they're both carbonated, you taste more grapefruit in this one. It still tastes both good. Yeah, you taste it. And it's a little bit more watered down than this one, which is more carbonated. I give both of them 10 out of 10. Do you like it? What do you give it out of 10?
10.
You give it a 10? Okay, Nana likes this drink too. Schweppes is good. Highly recommend. So Nana, what drink did you get?
Ironade.
She got Ironade. So Ironade basically, I feel like it's like Lucozade. So it's a sparkling glucose drink. So it's supposed to give you sugar. So energy. It's an energy drink. The Ironade was $120. So it has carbs in it and potassium. So it has glucose, purified water, cane sugar in it. Wow, that's nice. Okay, so Ironade is best when you are active, eating well, and staying healthy. It is intended for replacing the fluids lost from an upset stomach. Oh, so if you like vomit a lot, you need to get back energy and stuff, you'd get like one of these. This is good. You want to try it?
If it tastes bad, I'm knocking myself out.
Do you like it?
You taste it.
I think it's okay. Tastes like a juice box.
Tastes like juice box.
Like a juice box drink. This is okay, like a 6. Just taste it again. It tastes like a drink, like a juice box drink that's full of sugar that you get for $30 at the supermarket. $30 Jamaican. Yeah. Okay, can anyone guess what's the last drink?
It's me.
Okay, take it out. Take it out of the big Papa's bag.
I know what it is. It's ginger. No, it's not. It's ginger. I won. I did it.
It's ginger beer. Okay, so this is old Jamaican ginger beer. It's carbonated, artificially flavored.
It's mine.
This is from
Baby.
Jamaica on Spanish Town Road, Kingston 11. Let's try this. We're gonna taste it at the same time. I don't like ginger beer. Only Mom does, right, Nana? 1, 2.
Bite, did it. I like it. I give it a. I give it a 16 and a half.
If you like ginger, you'll like this drink. I don't like this. I don't like ginger at all. I'll still drink it though. So this would be like a 9.
I'll take.
No, an 8. It's ginger in a pot. Do you like this, Nana?
Yeah, I do.
So basically, it's ginger in a drink. If you love off ginger, I like ginger tea. If you love off ginger and stuff like that, you would like this, and it's like a pop version. This always helps with different things. The ginger beer was $90. So yeah, that's it for today's video.
I hope you like it.
Okay, so that's it for today's video. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. So comment down below what your favorite drink is. Mine was Ting. What's yours, Nana?
Peanut Punch.
You can also go on my channel, and I'm going to link more videos down below that you guys can watch on us testing and trying Jamaican snacks, and also drinks that I would recommend you guys trying when you guys come down, and snacks as well. And you guys go watch those videos because they only have like 100 views on those. I don't know why. But yeah, also you can look at my channel if you guys want to see us testing and trying Jamaican snacks, okay? Make sure you guys subscribe for that as well. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure to give a thumbs up for more of these type of videos on my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Au revoir. Bye. But here's some more videos if you want to watch.